Jed here to show you how to plug in your Snom phone. This process may seem obvious, but plugging cords into the incorrect ports can cause many problems. You may be using a different Snom phone than the one you see here. If that is the case, don't worry. The setup process for your model should be very similar. Also, please refer to our online documentation to ensure that we support your Snom phone model. Before I begin, it is worth noting that it does not matter what color of Ethernet cables you are using. I'll use two colors in this video to help illustrate where everything should be connected. Okay, let's start by looking at the back of the phone. The first thing that your phone needs to work is an internet source. This typically comes from an Ethernet cable plugged directly into the wall jack, modem, router, or switch, with the other end connected to this net port. You may only have a single access point to your internet source, but have more than one device that needs to use that simultaneously, like your phone and computer. You can share this source through daisy chaining. On your phone, this is done by connecting a different Ethernet cable to the PC port, which is also indicated with an icon. The other end of the cable will be plugged into the device you want to share your internet connection with. In this case, it is a laptop. Like all electronics, your phone will not work without power. If your phone turns on when you plug it into your internet source, you know you're using Power over Ethernet, or PoE. PoE allows your internet and power to share the same Ethernet cable. If you're not using PoE on your network, plug in the power adapter that came with your phone. This Snom model is PoE, so I won't need to attach a separate power cable. Lastly, plug in your handset. If desired, you also have the option to plug in a headset so you don't have to hold the handset to speak and hear your callers. It should be noted that some headsets connect to your phone either through a USB or Bluetooth connection. Please view our online documentation if you have questions about connecting with those methods. If you purchase your phone from us, you should be able to make and receive calls when you plug it in. Otherwise, check out our online resources for phone guides and troubleshooting articles.
Thank you for watching the video. I've included links to additional videos about GoTo's products and features in case you want to learn more.